just little bit of hair should be removed. Yeah. Nice.
इधर लगाना है?
अरे ये नहीं यार, वाइट जो नहीं है बर्स्ट करने वाला है।
Give a side pose.
अरे ब्लर है, उधर ही है तेरे पास।
Yeah.
इधर लगा लेना।
इस तरफ आइए।
इधर नीचे ऐसे. Little chin down.
हो गया चल, चेक कर। हो गया। बहुत ही बंद हो। आया?
छोड़ दो. Do a nice walk from there.
हो गया।
Loader दे दूँ?
Go.
चलो तो जाओ।
Yes.
हाँ?
Nice. Yes, turn around. Nice. Yes. Let's go. Yeah.
How little? Why you sitting inside? She was shooting already here.
Hello. Check. ठीक है. Guys, roll.
Rolling.
Yeah. Madeleina, we'll start with your introduction first. Tell us something about yourself, and you can look at the cameras over there.
Yes. Namaste, first of all. My name is Madeleina Bellario. I'm Romanian. I live in London. I'm an actress, and I've been shooting for Dubara, which is going to come out on 2nd of June in cinemas.
Madeleina, welcome to India first of all.
My pleasure to be here.
Have you ever visited before India or Mumbai? Have you
Yes, this is the 5th time I'm here in India.
Okay.
I've been here for post-production of our film Dubara. So yes, and at the moment I'm learning Hindi.
And how was the experience with Dubara, with shooting?
We were shooting in London for 33 days. So the crew was half British, half Indian crew. And it was very nice, very professional team, very devoted, passionate about their work. Everything was in place. And we finished the shoot in time. We completed the shoot.
Something more about your character in the film. How it is all about.
Yes, my role is Anna. She's a gorgeous girl. I mean, she's supposed to be very attracted physically to Adil Hussein, who is playing Alex Merchant. But except the physicality that there is between them, they have a strong intellectual connection. So she is the one who fuels Alex Merchant, the character played by Adil, who fuels him to pursue his dream, to pursue his ambition. In a way, he influences him. And it's a very, very interesting. She's actually the twist in the story. Because in the original Oculus, as you know, it's an adaptation, Dubara. The original film Oculus, my character was non-existent. So she is the one of the new elements of the film. So, and we promise lots of twists in Dubara.
Guys, silence please, thoda. You watching Hindi films, Indian films? You watching?
I start to watch. I've been to a screening to Pink movie. Yes.
Oh, okay. How do you like it?
Yes, I loved it. And before I got on board for Dubara, of course, I researched Pravaraman's work. I love the script, but I also checked his previous work, 404, Maynard Charles, and I loved Maynard Charles. It's actually Maynard Charles. It's the one who convinced me to come on board for Dobara, because he's a very original director, as you may know. So even if it's an adaptation, believe me, it's very different than the original. He just kept the concept, but it's expect a lot of twists in the story and lots of things happening.
But in this film, actually, with you, we also have many other Indian actors. So how was it working with them, the experience of working with the other actors, of Bollywood specifically?
Lovely. They are also passionate about their work. The majority of my scenes were with Adil Hussain, and he's a brilliant actor. I think right now National Award winning actor.
Right.
And I worked amazingly with him. We've also done some improvisation, and I had in the film itself, I had few lines in Hindi, so he helped me a lot, and we practiced the Hindi lines and we improvised, and we have some wonderful.
Which is your favorite actor in India?
I love Dev Patel, but I know he's not a typically Dev Patel. Yes, I watch.
He's an Hollywood actor.
Yes, but I love his work. And Irfan Khan. Yes, he's also doing some Bollywood projects, some American projects. I've seen Inferno that he did, and a few other films.
Can you speak a little bit Hindi? Any dialogue?
Yes.
Dialogues,
Which is your favorite dialogue? Any favorite Indian Hindi dialogue? Anyone?
मैं जराई हूँ मैं जराही हूँ
Okay.
मैं हिंदी सीख रही हूँ बाहर जाओ I know how to count 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9
10
no 7 8 9 10 11 12 Yes.
Any special thing finally you would like to share with all the viewers who are watching us now about Dobara and something about you? We are here at the photo shoot actually. There is something more about this entire this thing.
Well, I've been training myself as an actress in London. So I've been shooting The Young Pope. I've been shooting some Italian films. At the moment, I'm shooting for a TV series in Italian. And what I want to tell to the audience, please go and watch Dobara, because it's such a lovely film. I think it will do great. And expect lots of twists and lots of things happening in the film. So nothing is predictable in that film.
Here's wishing all the very best for you for the film, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.